Yeah, good morning, everyone. What we are seeing is that US market was more of a sideway yesterday, but the futures are a bit positive, and Asian markets are positive, but some negative news are also floating around on China. Though the overall market seems in most of the area is positive. What we had seen that in China, some economy data has come quite softer and which are impacting the commodity prices. Aluminum is down by almost around 1.5–2% from April, from Friday evening time. And even the iron ore is down by around 3% and steel is down by around 2%. So, considering all these things, China Central Bank has lowered the short-term rate by 10 basis points today morning. So, to some counter effect of the bad data in the commodity. But overall seems the markets are in Asia also positive and futures of the US are also positive. So seems we are opening on a positive note, but thereafter it will be more of a sideway market. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap of opening, and we're likely to witness some positive momentum during the day. Friday, we have seen that the Nifty has shown a very strong bounce back rally from 25,400 levels to 25,800 levels on the closing basis, which gives a very strong signal on the technical front. And this rally is likely to be continued towards 26,000 on higher side. As of now, the immediate for crude intraday purpose, the immediate resistance is placed at around 25,940. Any move about that level will catch up a rally towards 26,050, 26,140 levels, whereas on a downside, the support is placed at 20,000, 25,700. If it's break that level, then only we can witness some sort of a profit booking towards 25,600 to 25,500. Coming towards the bank Nifty, 53,740, 54,000 are the resistance level. We need to keep eye on it, whereas the support is placed at around 53,270, 53,000. Fin Nifty, 24,800, 24,900 are the resistance levels, whereas the support is placed at around 24,600, 24,500. Stock specific, Asian Paints look really good on the technical front. The stock has given a breakout of these resistance levels and it's trading the pattern of the high tops, high bottom formations. We believe that the rally is likely to be extended towards 3,400 levels, so one can take a long positions at the current market price as well by keeping a strict stop loss of 32.74 for a target of 3,400. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call for it.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, the overall index at this point is positive with the 26,000 level having the highest call base. And at this point of time, we will see some sort of resistance area around this 26,000 levels. Um, Support now is placed around 25,500, where a good support area has been formed. Also, put base is increasing at those levels, so that's a good sign. Also, we have seen good rally on Friday, which can probably continue going forward, even for the next couple of days. And we expect Nifty to do well. But we would suggest that at 26,000, some amount of profit booking should be done, because that is a resistance zone. Open interest also has risen quite considerably at about 1.8 crore shares. This is the highest in the last couple of years. So yeah, that should be taken note of, and we can see some sort of cooling off from these levels. Also, PCR at 1.5 is at the overbought zone. So we expect some amount of selling pressure from the resistance zone of 26,000 levels. Um, from the stock specific front, we expect banking to continue to do well. Banks did very well. And just now, on Friday, you've seen a breakout after a long time. 52-week highs were broken, and today, probably again, you will see another 52-week high being broken, where Nifty already is trading at 52-week highs from so long. But this is the first time in a long, 2, 3 months time that Bank Nifty is going to break this 53,400 odd levels. So yeah, once that is done, you will see banks continue to do well, especially the private banks. So we like ICICI, Kotak, IndusInd, Axis, and HDFC Bank. Look out for the same. Yeah, that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. On the pharma side, AstraZeneca Pharma has informed the exchange about the receipt of import and market permission from Controller General of India for Tremelimumab concentrate, and it expects to launch the drug in October 2024 in India. The same is indicated for the treatment of patients diagnosed with liver cancer that can't be treated with surgery. So that's positive for the company. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, the US FDA has inspected the Aurangabad facility, and it has closed with the zero observations. So that is positive for the company. In addition to that, US FDA also inspected Hyderabad R&D Center of Dr. Reddy's, and it is also closed with the zero observations. So that is positive for the company. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. Today one IPO will be opening. The name of the company is Manba Finance. We have given subscribe rating to the IPO. Details of the IPO are like issue size is around 151 crore, comprising entirely of fresh issue, and market cap post issue will be 600 crore. Talking about the company, it is basically an NBFC, which is very similar to Muthoot Capital in the listed space. That is almost 90% of the AUM is towards two-wheeler financing, and it has AUM of 937 crore. Company is majorly present in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Company has grown its loan at 37% CAGR in last 2 years, and it is likely to continue to grow at a fast pace by expanding its newer state, and also by introducing new products like used car, SBL, and PL. Along with Muthoot Finance, we also compare Manba with other vehicle financing NBFCs like M&M Finance and Sriram Finance. Being a NBFC focused on the two-wheeler segment, Manba has managed to deliver strong performance despite a weak rural economy post-COVID. Manba witnessed its GNPA peak out in FY22 at 4.9%, which is much lower compared to other vehicle financiers. Further, on the back of the low base and expansion in new geographies and new products, Manba has been able to grow its AUM at much faster pace than others, and has generated ROA and ROE of 2.3% and 10%, which is in line with other listed vehicle financiers like M&M Finance, while its valuation appears attractive at FY24 PB of 1.7 times. Thus, we recommended subscribing to the issue and expect around 20 to 30% gains on listing. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, HFCL has done a tie-up with General Atlantic Aeronautics System Incorporation, that is a US-based company. The collaboration will lead to supply of critical equipments related to unmanned vehicle, unmanned r- unmanned used in radar system. So this tie-up seems quite interesting and quite positive for HFCL. HFCL current revenue from defense account for around 6-7%. And a lot of new initiative and development HFCL is doing, and this is one of the good positive tie-up or collaboration which has happened. So this will act quite positive for HFCL, that is Himachal Futuristic Communication Limited. Apart from that, Vodafone Idea had said that uh, they had done tie-up with three of the equipment suppliers to upgrade their system for 4G and 5G. This all tie-up is for around 30,000 crores. And this is part of the total overall capex of around 55,000 crores, which company has announced. This is crucial for the company to upgrade its system so that can stop the subscriber base falling, which is consistently falling since last many years. So this is very crucial for them, and for that funding they had proposed through loan from various banks, and they had already submitted a lot of feasibility study of the viability of the company's total capex and the futures. And they had proposed around 25,000 crores of loan for these uh, expansions, uh, and that is in the process. And crucial thing to watch will be whether these get positive signals from the banks. And if at signal comes, then that will act quite positive for the Vodafone Idea for survival of the company in futures. So apparently looks positive, but major positive will be when the loan gets sanctions from the banks for these projects. So that's all from us. And I'll request to know that's all from us, and have a uh, have a good day ahead. Thank you.